I'm so excited to finally be able to announce this. This January, we will be hosting the Community College Digital Workshop, a 2-day workshop in Orlando, Florida. This will be the first ever event specifically about digital marketing best practices specifically for community college marketers. Over the span of 2 days, we're packing in over a dozen deep dives into topics like landing page design and optimization, advanced retargeting strategies, expert level uses for Google Analytics, and so much more. Every single session will teach you what is working best right now so that you can return to campus with peace of mind knowing what your digital strategy should include. The workshop is January 23rd and 24th at Disney's Yacht Club at Walt Disney World. We've negotiated a great room rate that you can even extend into the weekend if you want to make a short trip out of it. But this is very important. We are intentionally limiting attendance so that everyone has a chance to spend time with presenters so you can get all of your questions answered. Do not delay registering. If you dislike events that seem to cram in as many people as possible, then you're going to love this workshop. This is all about providing as much value as possible to you and your fellow attendees. So, with that in mind, you need to register ASAP as I don't want you to miss out. To learn more and to reserve your spot, visit communitycollegedigitalworkshop.com. I can't wait and I hope to see you there.